I'm excited about this wig because it's a bob. Bam. You already know. Look at that. I haven't even taken it out the net, y'all. You don't even have to part it, y'all. They done put the side part in there for you. Because I feel like, shortcut blunt bobs like this, you got to style it correctly. Because you can either be a style icon or you could be a maniacal librarian or something like that. You have to style it correctly. Hey, cause today is your girl Mary Kay coming to you this way today.
Hey. Let the church say subscribe.
Okay, I know what you're thinking. Ma'am, we literally just saw you in that exact same outfit with that exact same wig cap on your head, the same makeup, same lip oil, everything.
It's because I'm filming that.
And I'm doing it out loud and proud, okay? Yeah, that's why I look like you seeing double. I'm gonna tell you about this wig that I found on Amazon. Bam! Let me tell you about this wig right here. I'm excited about this wig because it's a bob. Bam, like a real fashion-y bob. And the name of this wig is ANISHA. Hey, Nisha.
Hey, girl.
It's a 13x6. They say it's well crafted and undetectable. Bam. You see that back there? All the illusion of the hairlineage, that's what comes with it. Safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which means it is synthetic, but it is premium synthetic. Pre-plucked, natural density, flawless hairline. That is a whole vibe right there. Before we even proceed, you already know, look at that. Look at that. And look at the color. I haven't even taken it out the net, y'all. Y'all, this about to be so cute. It's about to be over with. Sensational HD lace front, cloud 9, what lace, Swiss lace, 13x6 ANISHA. Customized, hand-tied, undetectable. You know, undetectable doesn't mean undetectable. It just means undetectable. Okay. Well crafted. Okay. They have special colors, multiple parting options. Yeah, everything that you would expect from a what lace wig. So that's that. This is the inside with pride. String hanging all out. Is this a side part? You don't even have to part it, y'all. They done put the side part in there for you. And look how good that looks. Look at that. Look, y'all. Yes. 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 Oh. Y'all, I feel like this. Oh, y'all, hold a minute. Because I feel like, oh. Charmaine, she working my last nerve. I feel like this is about to be cute. Hold a minute. Hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. And if you like a short, blunt bob, honey, this one might be for you. Shortcut blunt bobs like this, you can either be a fashionista or you can be a maniac. But so you got to style it correctly. You got to come appropriately with wigs like this, okay? Because you can either be a style icon or you could be a maniacal librarian or something like that. You have to style it correctly. So we're gonna see how to come at it. Hold a minute, Charmaine, you can't be embarrassing me like this. There we go. There we go.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. This text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, We was raised a little different. I used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Hit me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. But I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Lost touch, yeah. Wanna do? I speak the truth, hey. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so rare with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going